Alright guys, so in this project we're going to tackle the interior and get this all cleaned up and somewhat restored. Today we're going to tackle the leather seats. Now this is a 10-year-old car and I don't know how well this is going to show in the camera, but you can see the cracking on the side leather. It's fine to have folds, but cracking, no. Alright, so what I got here is color matched leather dye. This is from Seat Doctors. This is mixed for this car. They asked for my VIN number and color code. And this is a Lexus Parchment 4-ounce leather dye. And we have their leather crack filler. Fill that crack. We're going to use this spatula kind of a thing. It came with a kit, 3 of those, and they said that you can use a blow dryer. I have a heat gun. I'm going to turn it to low and I'm going to keep it away from it and monitor the temperature and various microfiber towels. I'm going to try to apply the dye with this and see how that goes. Oh, and my APC Super Clean Love Potion. In the back where the kids are at, I took off the car seats, but there's some indentations from the car seats right there. What is that? It's like crayons or whatever. Let's see how well that takes it out. Squirt it and wipe it. Gone. We're gonna take some of this filler and fill the crack. See how this goes. Doesn't want to get out of there either. Okay, that's what I have so far with the filler. I used a spatula and I wiped it up to make sure that it's even. I don't want to have to do some sanding, you know. Alright. Let's heat it up a little bit. Speed up the process. Alright, now we got the center seat in the back. I'm trying to show that crack. Can you see it? Can you see it? make sure that's flat. Again, we don't want to have to do any sanding. What you're scraping off at the top should be fine, because this should go right between the crack, in theory. Just want to lightly wipe over it. Don't wipe too hard. Just flatten the thing. Alright, that thing is clean and dry to the touch. We're going to take our die, shake it, and try to use this. Man, this is watery. Watery. I hope I don't make a mess. Start with a little dot. Wow, so far that is a perfect match. Just doing a little at a time. I'm trying to just do the affected panel. I don't want to go try to fade it into the next panel. Oh man, I like it. I really do. Oh man, I don't know how well you guys can see, but this is perfect match. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, let's have a look. This side here I repaired. Loving it. And that center one. Perfect color match too. Alright. I'll do the rest, whatever's rest in this car, off camera. Okay, so now that we've restored our seats, we cleaned it, we repaired it, it's time to protect it. I'm trying this ceramic spray coating by Dura-coating. It's their Celsius. I think this is a 1-year coating. I chatted with somebody over there in their Facebook page, and I asked them, do you have a specific coating for leather? Because there are some other manufacturers there that have it, and they told me that you can use that I can use their Celsius and it will work just fine. There's no special formulation for leather or anything like that. They said that those are just gimmicks and just trying to rip you off, you know. So let's see if this works. I do like saving money. I mean, if you can use the same for the paint, for your leather, you know, we'll see. I do have graphene on my paint, their graphene coating, so I don't have this. I want to test it in a less visible area first though. Let's see. Alright, let's try a little section here in the corner, back seat. Okay, it came with a couple of these pads. Let's squirt it. Whoa, okay, see what happens. Let's do a test smell. I don't smell anything, and on leather it's hard to see where you're going. It's clear. I do like that it doesn't have a shiny, you know, sheen to it. I'm assuming that this is very shiny stuff if you put it on your car's paint, but on the leather it preserves it. Just buffing it off. I don't see anything. Okay, another squirt, just one squirt. Let's do the back. Buff. Seems fine to me. It preserved that matte finish. Doesn't make it look oily. Doesn't make it look shiny. It doesn't make it look Armor All-y. Yeah, let's keep going. One or two squirts. You just gotta be careful because it's hard to see and it's hard to know how far you're going or how far this thing coats. It probably goes far. I mean, in a regular paint you don't need much. Alright, now I'll move to the front seat. It's important that before you squirt just one squirt, you gotta lay her down so that you can get on the crack, get inside the crack right there. What I'm having to do is squirt once and wipe down one section at a time. One or two sections at a time, depending on how big it is. Because I can't see. I mean, I can't see where this thing's going. There's no sheen. You know, you can't see a film on there. I would imagine if this was a glossy paint, you can see a film going on there, but this is matte. I mean, I really can't see. So better safe than sorry. You know, you got a big bottle there. Yeah, so one squirt ain't gonna, you know, ain't gonna take out much. So yep, wait a few seconds and you buff it off. Make sure you get inside that crack. And you know, the only thing is I can't see where I'm going, but as far as the look is concerned, I like it because it's not adding, you know, it's not adding flavor to it, you know. It's not adding any gloss. It's just protecting. So I'm hoping that this will do its job and will react well on leather and not like have something crazy going on, like peeling, like almost like clear coat peeling, looking like, I mean, I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know what to expect, you know. But this is supposed to be a hard coating that crystallizes if you leave it out to dry, and now we're putting it in leather that is, you know, moving, you know. So I don't know how well that will react, but the guy on their chat said that you can use this on leather. So I guess I'll be the guinea pig if nobody's done this before. I haven't really looked for any videos so on YouTube. So here we go. I guess I'll do an update, you know, after a little while. So I'll do the rest of the car, and I don't want to bore you with that because you can't see it anyway, and you can't see where it's going. I can't. Alright, see you later. Alright, so there it is, guys. In the end there, when I got to that seat, or maybe even that seat, I started to see where I was going. I guess as this pad got a little bit more saturated, I was able to see where I was going. It was almost like shiny material. The panel got a little bit shiny, so I could see where I was going, and then once you wipe it off, you know, that sheen goes away. So yeah, I went around the car with one coat. I'm gonna do 2 or 3 coats, because look at that. I mean, one coat around the whole car. Still, it barely moved. I mean, it wasn't full to begin with. So yeah, I guess you get the point, you get the picture. This is not going to change. The look is not going to change after multiple coats. So you get the idea. I'm going to just end right here, guys. I hope this helped you out. And I'll do a longevity test and how this holds up in a car leather situation. Alright, have a good one. Bye.